Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we dive deep into the world's most exclusive and boundary-pushing vehicles. Today, we're stepping into the realm of ultra-luxury with a car that's redefining the meaning of automotive opulence, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Maytos SL. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, and it's one that blurs the line between road-going luxury and automotive art. At first glance, the Maytos SL demands attention. Its proportions are long, wide, and elegantly sculpted. The elongated hood flows into a dramatically low-slung silhouette, and every surface is meticulously contoured to reflect both legacy and modernity. You immediately recognize the SL DNA, but elevated to a stratospheric level of craftsmanship. The front grille, finished in polished chrome and adorned with the signature Maybach vertical slats, glows under ambient lighting that subtly outlines the vehicle's front fascia like a luxury yacht arriving at port. Now, under the hood lies the heart of a beast. The Maytos SL is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 turbo engine that produces a monstrous 650 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. This car is not only about looking good, it delivers performance with zero compromise. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 4 seconds, which is astonishing considering its size and luxury weight. The engine purrs like a symphony and roars with authority when unleashed, all while wrapped in the serenity of Maybach-level sound insulation. Step inside and you're transported into a realm few vehicles can offer. The cabin is lined with the finest Napa, leather, hand-finished wood trims, and even real metal inlays. Everything from the stitching on the seats to the fragrance of the cabin air is tailored. The ambient lighting system offers 64 customizable colors, while the infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX interface complete with a voice assistant that feels almost human. Rear passengers enjoy personal entertainment screens, a built-in champagne chiller, and individual massage seats. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping element of the 2026 Maytos SL is that it's a speedster no roof, no windshield. Instead, Mercedes uses wind deflection tech that creates a virtual bubble around the driver and passenger. It's outrageous, it's bold, and it's unapologetically luxurious. This is not a car made for practicality, it's made to make a statement. It's reserved for the 1% of the 1%. Only a handful will ever be produced, and every unit is spoken for by collectors and royalty around the globe. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Maytos SL is less of a car and more of a declaration. A symbol of status, exclusivity, and masterful engineering. For those lucky enough to get behind the wheel or simply admire from afar, this is what happens when performance meets perfection. This is the Car Collective, and we'll see you in the next ride.